If you have lost access to your Swiggy account and cannot use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your registered phone number. Input the mobile number linked to your Swiggy account. Make sure it is the same number you used during the registration. Step 4. Receive OTP. Wait for a one-time password OTP to be sent to your registered phone number via SMS. Check your messages for the OTP. Step 5. Reset your password. Enter the OTP in the app when prompted. Once verified, you will be allowed to set a new password for your account. Follow the instructions to complete the password reset. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Swiggy account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swiggy customer support for further assistance.